Welcome back, viewers. In the last two videos, we have seen Blackmagic, that is the creator of Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a software for the content creators. It is a very well-known software used by the Hollywood producers to produce very high quality movies. So that is available for the uh, average content creator to create content. So it the free package contains some of the tools that are free for use by the average content creator, so you don't have to pay any fees. But if you want the professional grade software tools, then you have to upgrade to a license. So both versions are available: free, which is limited in the number of features, and the license version is there. So in license version, everything is unlocked, all the features are unlocked, and you can max out to uh, your level. So your level of knowledge is very much important. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do a series on Davinci Resolve. So we are just started right now. My laptop does not have the 16 GB RAM. So minimum 16 GB RAM is required to produce content in HD. So minimum requirement is 16 GB, that, and you can create content in HD. If you want to do content in 2K or 4K, you require more than 16 GB. So it will take some time for me to upgrade to 16 GB. Right now I only got 8 GB, so I can only show you the installation video, how to install it. Rest of the videos, how to use the Davinci Resolve software, maybe we can cover it in the later videos whenever I upgrade my system to 16 GB from the 8 GB. So the Davinci Resolve is available in the Debian based distros as well as Arch Linux. So in the last video, we had seen how to easily install Davinci Resolve in Ubuntu. In this video, we are going to show how to install Davinci Resolve in Arch Linux. So the way to install Davinci Resolve in Ubuntu and Debian is same. You have to just download the run file, that is the executable file, and you can just install Davinci Resolve without any issue on Debian or Ubuntu based Linux distributions. In Arch, the Davinci Resolve is available in the AUR repository. So in EndeavourOS, you have to click here in the AUR repositories, and this page will open up. You can see here the Davinci Resolve is available. So there are four versions are available. Davinci Resolve is there, so this is the free version. Then Davinci Resolve Studio is there. This is the license version. Davinci Resolve Studio Beta is there. So this is the beta version of the Davinci Studio Resolve Studio. So here also, to run this beta, you require a license. And the Davinci Resolve Beta is there. So this is the free beta. So you can also test the free beta. So this will show you the upcoming features with the free version of the Davinci Resolve. So we are going to install Davinci Resolve here. So we will install this free version, stable free version, and the beta version. So beta you can do if you want, but I will go with the stable Davinci Resolve free version. So what you have to do is, you can type a space capital S Davinci. So it will show you the available packages of Davinci. So here you can see. So what we are going to do is, we are going to install this. This is the stable version of the Davinci Resolve. So I will just type a space capital S Davinci dash Resolve, and we are going to click yes, and the installation will proceed. So if you don't know the different dependencies, you can just go with the default here. For example, the Java runtime. So multiple versions of Java runtime are available. We don't know which to use, then best is to leave it to the default. This is the default arranged by the developers of Arch Linux. We can go with the defaults. Now 5 providers available for the OpenCL driver. So here you have to use your brain. Now my laptop is AMD based laptop. So the Intel compute runtime is not going to run. OpenCL Clover Mesa, OpenCL NVIDIA, OpenCL, what is this? Just let me maximize the screen. OpenCL Rustical Mesa and the ROCM OpenCL runtime. So this is all that is available. So how to go ahead? So either I can go with this 2 and 3 option, the second or the third option. So let me think. You have to think for 2 minutes. Let us go with the OpenCL NVIDIA, because anyway without the NVIDIA card, the discrete graphics cards, it is not going to work. So we will use the option 3. So option 3 is OpenCL dash NVIDIA. So it will again pull up the further dependencies. So packages to clean build, none, all, abort, install, not installed. So we can go with all, we can go with install. So if some of these dependencies already might be there on the system, so do you want to install, do you want to clean build and install all the packages? So there is option none, all, abort, install, not installed. So we can go with the not installed ones. So that is the option 3. So here again you can go with the option N. So okay, so I think it might not install. Let us see. Let us see what happens. Otherwise we can do the installation again. So here you can see all the dependencies that it will install. Let us see what happens. Otherwise what we will do is we will go with install all option. So in install all the dependencies will be installed, clean build and install on the system. Let us see what happens. So here you will have to use your brains. You can go with the default, but sometimes the default will not work. For example, this Intel drivers are not going to work on my system because the Intel hardware is not there. So sticking to default sometimes makes no sense. So I think Davinci was not installed, so we will require Davinci. Let us see. Yes, it is making the Davinci Resolve package. Okay, so I think the Davinci is going to get installed by this way also. So you can see the download has completed and the installation has started. It was quite big download, 2.4 GB for a single file. Now you have to input the password. The installation is almost complete. So the Davinci Resolve package has been made in the clean build area. So the zip file was downloaded. It was unzipped in the clean build area, and the Davinci Resolve package is ready along with the dependencies for the installation. So the installation size, you can see it's very big, almost 6 GB of installation size. So now let us go ahead and install it. So it took around 20 minutes for the complete installation to finish. It will take 20 minutes, not more than that. Download was pretty fast. The download took most of the time. It took around 10-12 minutes. I got a 30 Mbps link at home. So do you want to remove certain packages? So these packages are not required. So it is automatically removed. And I think the installation is complete because the cursor has returned back to the command prompt. And we can check out if the icons are there. Yes, we can see here the Davinci Resolve has been installed. So that's it. I won't be able to show you more videos because I will require to upgrade my memory from 8 GB to at least 16 GB so that the DaVinci Resolve can work on my system. It can boot up and it can work and do some productive tasks like editing. Otherwise, it is not possible for me to show you the video. So maybe in few months time I might upgrade. So everything depends on you. If the channel is monetized, I can spend some more money on the hardware and software part to make better videos, to make more videos on different topics. So everything is depending on you. Please help me to reach at least 500 members so the channel can be partly monetized and I can receive the donations from the users. So the donations is required to further continue with the channel content. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.